Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnail for free on our mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Canva application to create YouTube thumbnail. We can use the Canva for free to create thumbnail for our YouTube video. So make sure you have installed this Canva application on your mobile phone. You can get it from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And then here I have installed my Canva, as you can see, and we're going to launch this application on my mobile phone. Okay, then I'm going to create new design in the Canva. We can click on this plus icon and then we can choose the aspect ratio that we want, and this is one to create YouTube thumbnail. We can choose the YouTube thumbnail right here. Okay, and to create the YouTube thumbnail, you can design your own style or you can use templates from the Canva. Here I'm just going to use the template from the Canva, guys. Here you'll be able to get a lot of templates for your YouTube thumbnail. Let me go with this one, and we're going to replace image on this template with our own image. I'm going to click on the image and we're going to click on replace, and then I'm going to choose one of my photo from my gallery. Wait, I'm going to go to my pinned folder. Okay, and then I'm going to choose for example this photo. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now the image has been replaced with my own image. Then you can change the text as well right here. If you want to change the text, you're going to click on edit, and I'm just going to type in like this. Okay, then you can change the color if you want. You can go to the color menu and select the color that you like. I'm going to choose this color, for example, or this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and now it's done guys. This is the final result, and if you want to save this YouTube thumbnail to your device, you can click on this option. Okay guys, then that's all the way to make YouTube thumbnail on our phone for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.